it's softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
Good morning, guys. Oh, I am so sick. I'm so sick. This hasn't been a good week to me. Like since I came back Sunday late, I was just not feeling myself. Monday I was worse. In fact, I was not worse. I was just. And then Tuesday I was also. Even look at my mouth, it's so pale. Like it's so pale, but I'm trying to to drink water, as much water as I can, because yeah, I don't know what it does. It first started as if I had inyongo, and then I tried using some stuff to take it out, and then it did try to come out. And then following day, I'm trying to eat and I can't stomach anything, and everything is coming out, and no guys, I am not pregnant. I'm not pregnant at all. And now it's flu, like it was just a lot. At least today it's Friday. I'm feeling a bit better, but I vomited in the morning, but I'm feeling a bit better. So I don't know what's going on, but if by the end of day today I'm not 100%, I'm gonna go and see a doctor in the morning tomorrow. At least my doctor is around the corner. It's not far from where I'm staying, so I'm just gonna go, guys. So I'm so pale. Even my skin is breaking. I don't know what's happening. Like, I don't know. I'm so pale. Even my lips are so dry. It's like I'm dehydrated. It's like I'm not drinking enough water, but I am. I just don't know what's happening, man. But yeah, in all that, guys, I need to take a vlog for you. I need to vlog because I said I'll be committed to vlogging. I'll try and do my level best even when I'm not feeling okay. And I think I'm just gonna take out this thing now in my head, like, hey, send it right, guys. I haven't been to the gym for the longest time now, so I just need to get my groove back, because what is that? So today it's Friday. I'm working as always. Started working today. I was even late. Like, I woke up very, very late. I woke up at almost 4:30. I was supposed to be up 2:30, but it's the medication I took yesterday. I was out. I didn't even hear my alarm, guys. But anyways, guys, thank God it's Friday. In fact, I don't even, I didn't show you guys. I ended up doing my nails. Remember the previous vlog, which I was such a what so I ended up getting my nails done. Hope you can see. Yeah, so today I'm expecting 2 deliveries, one from Take a Lot and the other one from where Korea Guy. Yes, Korea Guy. So my daughter next year will be 21, so we made a deal that I buy her the phone that she wants, the iPhone that she wants this year as a present, yeah, next year. So that's exactly what I did. So we're expecting that phone today. We'll probably unbox during the day when I receive the items. And also I bought a surprise, a gift for my friend. It was her birthday on the 29th, but she was not around, so it's either we're gonna meet on Sunday and then nimnikeze gift yakhe, or we will see. Maybe I'll just take it to her place if we call her, because I'll be free Sunday. But we will see, guys. But for now, let me continue working, and yeah, catch you but later. Jimmy, my order is here. Here. My daughter is here. Sanmanani. It's a tree, Christmas tree. Last year 10 singakhange sibe nayo. Oh, gcineni ningaphandle. Wakhathala ekuseni uzasiginya khona. Uzasiginya. Oh, good morning guys, good morning. I am on my way to the gym. It's been a while, no? It's been a while, but that's how I get. Still not feeling okay though, but it's been years, son. I get. Okay, is I look at that. Oh guys, besides news, I feel so weak. Yellow Dasha Elo, but without seeing Sana, without seeing, I need here and just to move my body because I've been sleeping for almost a week now. Flat with flu. So I think it's time now I move my body. Otherwise, I'm gonna go crazy if I don't do that. I'm still not strong, guys, but I'm doing this. I'll take it easy. And even my ear, I can't hear properly. I don't know what kind of flu is this. Like, I can't eat. I can't do anything. My stomach is a mess. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, man. I've tried everything. I have different medications in my face, but nothing seems to be working. But yeah, I'm stronger than this flu. I can even lie. Guys, in the shop right together, I'm just getting some snacks. I'm meeting up with my girls later. So I'm just getting some snacks while we're waiting for the meat to be stick or something. So yeah, guys, let's do it.
Original taste, less sugar cold drink, cup 44 right, less 300 milk or 400 milk, cup body cream, over no sugar chocolate, cup 24.99. The original 37
Hey customers, thank you for visiting ShopRite, the home of low prices. At ShopRite, you can find quality hygiene products at great prices. So make sure to stock up and save with exclusives like a 175-gram Renew Soft Curl, Relaxing Rose, Misty Ocean, or Floral Fresh Bar Soap for a low $12.99. And two 250-gram Optimal Multi-Purpose Laundry Soaps for only $19.99. Ask any of our friendly staff to find out more right here at ShopRite.
Save on any two 120-gram silver potato chips for 13 fucking grand. 1.5 liters Clover Crush fruit juice blend for just $29.99. And an 8-piece Little Kitchen Playset only $99.99. Valid until 7th December. Get low prices and go extra this Christmas. Only at ShopRite. Mati. Ako na magkabazali.
Aweko sana.
Ako na masisi.
Aweko sana.
Ako na magkabazali.
Aweko sana, son.
Ako na machichi.
Yebo, ako na. Ako na.
Ako na machini. I'm on the Lorenzo.
Ako na mag-isip.
What's up, Mati? What's up? Mati,
Wanda ko malon sila.
hope everyone is okay. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Wamkelekile kusekhaya nalapha. Excuse me guys. So today it's Monday, and I've received my order, the one that I told you guys that I was expecting from the previous vlog. So it finally came through. I said, you know what, let me unbox with my people. So let's get to it together, guys. I just knocked off now. I'm a bit of a mess. Oh, can I have some help, please? Thank you. Oh, guys, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. My baby is finally here. Oh, let me put it down. And then it came out with these babies. And I'm sure when you see these babies, you already know what it is. So yeah, this is the first thing. So I figured, guys, that since I have a Hisense fridge and my microwave also is from Hisense, so I figured let me also get an air fryer that also is from Hisense. Oh, so this is one. I think this is a plate or something. I saw cover on. And they show sign it's protected. Please help me again, girl, to take this one out. And it's heavy, okay? Very, very heavy. Ooh, I didn't make it now once. Guys, I didn't make it now. Ooh, look at that cutie. Let me put this. Oh, guys, would you look at that? Sun alarm. Okay. Sorry about that. Hi, son. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, apha sikhoyo mesana siselapha sana siselapha. It's a see-through. How do you open this thing? Oh, finally. So I'll be able to see my food as it cooks inside. Oh, yeah, Ooh, son. I said cutie. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Yes, son. I'm so happy. So that's basically it today, guys.